The car trailer that we got for the Nova doesn't quite fit my aesthetic yet. We bought this car trailer used for us to put the Nova on when we're taking it long distances to car shows that aren't real local, so that we don't have to worry about kind of messing up the Nova, since the whole point of the car is to take it to car shows and keep it looking good. Of course, we'll be driving around locally, taking it to local shows and just having a good time with it when I can. But for those long distances, it's always good to have a car trailer. When we bought it, I mean, it's in really good shape. I got it for a really good price. It's an all aluminum trailer, so it's never gonna rust. It's had some modifications made, like this heavy duty hitch right here. But there are some things that I just want to upgrade on it. If you know me, if you've seen my Silverado videos, you know I like that stealth look, just that kind of slick look. So all of these just orange and lenses and red lenses showing up everywhere, they just don't really fit the aesthetic. So I bought some smoked lights for the back of the truck. I'm looking to get, or to find, some for these side markers as well, so that I can put those in with some smoked lenses, but haven't really been able to find a good replacement for those yet. But today we are working on the back of the trailer. We've got tail lights that we're going to be putting in and a light bar. We're going to get started on the tail lights right now. So on the back of the trailer, of course, like most trailers, you've got the red tail lights. These should be extremely easy to replace. So we're going to go ahead and get started to get that taken care of. There should be no screws or anything really required in order to replace these. No wiring, because we've already got a wiring harness in the trailer itself. So what we're going to do is just pop out these lights. They're literally just held in by the grommet. Unhook the wiring harness and then pull the grommet out. The lights do come with their own harness and wires, but we're just going to plug the harness we've already got in here because we know those lights work. Those wires work to get power to the lights. I'm going to go ahead and take the grommet off of the light itself so that I can work on getting it installed separately. It's got a ridge that needs to get on the inside of this hole all the way around. And then we just slide the lens in. And we have a new taillight on the passenger side of the trailer. Now we're just going to do the driver's side real quick. So now that we've got the taillights and brake lights swapped out with some smoked lenses, we're going to be working on replacing these marker lights. Now, I couldn't find any smoked lenses that fit in the clip housing that we've already got on the trailer, and I didn't really want to take this whole thing off and have to run new wires for a new shaped light or anything like that. So what I actually found are these lights. They're clear lensed LEDs and they have a silver housing, so I feel like when they're on the trailer they'll kind of help it blend in a little bit. Right, obviously it's not the exact same color, but it'll be better than these orange lenses sticking out right here. I've got these for both red and amber LEDs, so we'll be able to replace all these around the trailer. All we'll have to do is pop off the clips holding it in, and then these should just pop right in place and plug into the wire prongs built into this clip housing. I would like to do something about the reflectors, but I think those are going to have to stay. I'm not really sure what I could do with reflectors since they don't have lights in them. I can't really black them out because they have to be able to reflect light coming off of them. So those might have to stay. There's two amber ones towards the front 2 red ones towards the back. So not too terrible if those have to stay, but we are going to be working on replacing these lights, getting these in. Shouldn't take too long, so I'm going to sit the camera down and pop all of these out, pop these new ones in, and then we'll see how it looks with these new lights on the trailer. Got the new lights on the trailer. I do think this gives the trailer a much cleaner look than having those amber and red lenses on it. We got those all the way around. I actually bought replacements for the 3 lights right here, but those are different sizes. I thought they would be the same because they have the same kind of pop-in housing, but they're shorter from side to side, so I wasn't able to replace those. So for this video, those are going to stay red. Maybe I'll find something to get those replaced at a later point. But for now, I think that looks really good. So only thing left to do is to hook up the truck and crank it up and make sure the lights work. Check out these polished diamond plate fenders we have on the trailer. The original fenders are right over there. They're just flat aluminum, nothing special about them, and they work obviously, but wanted to up the style, so we went with the diamond plate polished look, and I think it looks really good. Gives the trailer just a little bit of extra pop, especially with those lights that we put on, the marker lights. So I'm really happy with how this trailer's looking. I mean, it's going to be hauling the Nova, so obviously I want the trailer to look as good as possible as well. There's a couple more things we've got planned for the trailer. We're obviously going to do a rock guard on the front to help protect the Nova. I think we've got a plan for possibly doing a storage box up front in front of the rock guard, maybe a winch, and at some point I want to get some really nice looking wheels for this thing, because right now it's just got the old Steelies. But for this video, I think we got a lot of stuff done. We got those new marker lights, new tail lights, and the polished diamond plate fenders. If you want to see videos about the Nova, if you haven't seen them already, check out the vlog playlist for the 1970 Chevy Nova. But for now, this is Southpaw Garage signing out.